Well, hello everybody. How are you guys doing today? I am Lisa Freeman coming to you from Chesapeake, Virginia, and from my website stampingwithlisa.com. And I'm going to bring you this really cute, adorable, quick and easy card today using the, what is it called? Berry Blessing stamp set and Berry Delightful paper. We've got lots of berries going on today. And I wanted to bring it to you today because there's only 3 days left to get this. You can only get the stamp set and the paper for 3 more days because it is celebration time with Stampin' Up. And when celebration is over at the end of the month, which is in 3 days, can you believe it? Then you won't be able to get it anymore. So I am super upset about this because this is one of my favorite things from the sale-abration catalog. And if you haven't seen it, it's almost done. We've only got a couple days, but it's got lots of good stuff in here. I love that donkey set. That's so cute. And this one is one of the $100 ones. And you get the paper and the stamp set for free with a $100 order. So 3 more days to get this. This is the paper right here. I've got it in person with me, but I've actually used most of mine. So I only have a few pieces left, so I didn't actually have a whole entire pack left. But you can't get the paper unless you get the stamp set too. So I had to buy 3 of them. Or not buy them. I had to order enough to get 3 of them for classes and stuff this month. So I have a couple extras. I sold one today. Not sold one, but gave it away as a door prize. So I'm going to have a couple extras probably after this is over. And I'll probably give them away as prizes too. So I will let you in on more of that soon. Also, I wanted to announce the winner of the butterfly card. The butterfly card is the one I demoed a few days ago, and Judith Sigler is the winner of this card, so I will be sending this in the mail to you. So just message me your address, and I will send it to you, and thanks so much for your comments. And also, I'm going to do that today with today's card. So let me show you the paper real quick. This is what I have left, so I'm missing one of the sheets. But you've got the blueberry one, which is what we're using today, and that's the back of it. I love both sides, so I kind of hate to use either one of them because then you're wasting the back. That's the only bad thing about double-sided paper. If you like both sides, then you're kind of in trouble. This is the raspberry one, and then we've got a strawberry one. Another, I don't know what this is because they're kind of like strawberries and raspberries mixed together. I don't know. And then this is another big strawberry one. The one that I had used all of was another strawberry one. It had green on the back, which was really cute. This is the stamp set, and it is adorable. And there's another stamp set in the catalog that goes with it that has a strawberry punch too. So you can still get that for a while, but this is only available for 3 more days. So make sure you get it. Uh-oh, I forgot to turn my volume down on my computer. Hold on one second. Let me find that. Okay. Hey, Sharon. All right, so let me show you what you need for this card. You need a piece of 5.5 by 8.5 white and a piece of 5 by 3 3/4 white, 1.5 by 3 3/4 designer paper, and that's the berry one that I just showed you with the blueberries on one side and this on the other, and 1/2 inch by 3 3/4 Pacific point. So those are the only pieces you need. It's a super quick and easy card. I do have some shimmer spray that I'm going to use and Wink of Stella. So you need those too, and then your ink pads. So let's get started. This is one of those quick and easy cards I did in my Stamp-A-Stack today. I had some girls over this morning and we did a Stamp-A-Stack, and I've got some more coming tonight. So we're going to be stamping on this white piece right here. First thing I want to do is the words. And we're using Memento Black. And you're just going to ink that up. And this is the words from that stamp set. Hopefully I'm not shaking the screen. All right, and you want to stamp this as far to the right as you can get it. And I'm just going to do it kind of about maybe 1 inch or so from the top. So I'll put it right here. There you go. And then we're going to do our leaves, and this is a 2-step stamp set, so you've got the outside and the inside, and we're going to be using Garden Green. And I've got my paper to go down on here, but I don't want to glue it down just in case I mess up for some reason. If you glue it down, then you only have 1 chance, but if you don't glue it down, then you can actually flip it over and do the back. So we're going to start with the outside. I always like to do the outside first, and I'm going to make sure I don't go over this edge. So I'm going to put it about right here. Give it a good press. When you have the photopolymer, you want to let them sit just an extra minute. Then I'm going to do the inside, and when I do the inside, I want to stamp off. And I should have got a scrap paper so I don't waste my pretty background paper. Let me see if I got a scrap paper somewhere. Let me see. I know I got a pile of it here somewhere. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stamp off gently, and then I'm going to go right over here, over top of this, and stamp it. It's hard to do it without putting it under my head. It's harder from an angle when you're not right on top of it. I know, Sharon, I love this paper too. It's so pretty. So there you go. All right, then we're going to do our blueberries, and we're going to do those in Pacific Point. I never use this pad ever. This is like the first time I've used it probably in at least a year. All right, so we're going to do the outside first of the blueberries. And you just want to line them up. The two bigger ones you want to line up with these two little stems. So I'm going to pull it towards me just a little bit because it's hard to see from this side. And then this little one's going to go right next to that leaf. So hopefully I can get this straight without getting my head right in the front of the camera. All right, that's pretty good. I messed up a little bit there. I didn't get enough ink. All right, then I'm going to stamp this one, and I'm going to stamp this one off too on scrap paper first. So we'll just lightly tap it and then put this right over top of this one. And, oh, hopefully I got that straight. It is really hard to do this unless your head's right over top of it, but I did pretty good. All right, so then we've got these little sprinkles. I forget what this is from. It's not from this stamp set. It's from a different one. I forgot. I just got it out of the box yesterday too, but I can't remember which one it came from. But you're just going to take the little sprinkles and just put them, oops, I forgot to stamp off. And then put them just kind of all over. And I always stamp these off because you don't want them really dark. All right, that's good. That looks actually pretty on that piece of paper too. That's just my scrap paper. All right, then we're going to put it together. So we've got, this piece goes down first. And see, I hate to glue that down because it's so pretty. I'm going to use my green glue. And just put it right up against the edge. And hold it for a sec. And then put some on your little strip. Today was so nice. We've actually had a couple nice days here. It was raining every day for about, I don't know, a month. I think we've had 4 or 5 sunny days this whole entire month. It was getting really depressing. And everything was so muddy. But the last couple of days, it's been really, really pretty. I hope spring is coming soon. I can't wait. Hey, Susan. All right. And then we're going to put this on here with dimensionals. So see, this is like a 5-minute card. You could pop out a bunch of these. And you could really use any pattern that's in here. You could do the same card and use the raspberries too. Or get the strawberry stamp set and use the strawberries. But I pretty much used all my strawberries in, whoops, my other video when I did the little treat boxes, the acetate ones. I don't know why I'm cutting this. I have a whole bunch of these already cut. You never want to waste the edges though. I always use every single little piece of my dimensionals so you don't ever waste any, because I go through about a whole sheet of these a day, it seems like. All right, so then that's going to go on here. Oops, almost upside down. I did a really funny thing yesterday. I was doing a class and I put a piece of cardstock together with another piece of designer paper, and then I flipped it over and put glue on it. Forgot that I had already put something on here. Then I started talking, and then I glued another one to the other side. So I had a front and I had 2 pieces of designer paper on either side. I'm like, okay, I just losing it. All right, so we're almost done. We're going to put some Wink of Stella. I love Wink of Stella on just about everything. So I'm going to put a little bit just on the blueberries to give them a little bit of shine. Kind of where the darker edges are. And leave a little bit of open spot in the middle. And then I'm going to put just a little bit on the leaf too. And I know you probably can't see it, but it's really, really pretty up close. So hopefully you can kind of see that pretty sparkle on there. And then I'm going to take my shimmer spray, which this is alcohol, 70% alcohol mixed with our champagne, is it champagne mist shimmer spray? No, shimmer paint. And you make a shimmer spray. All right, and I'm just going to squirt it on here like 3 times, maybe 4. And let that dry for just a minute. And those little spots will go away. And then when it dries, you're going to have all this sparkliness on there. And it looks almost like glitter. It's so pretty. So hopefully you guys can see that. Hey, Deborah! You're catching the tail end. You're going to have to go back and rewind. All right, so that's my quick and easy card for today. Don't forget 3 more days to get this. So if you haven't gotten it yet, you can place a $100 order or more and you'll get it for free with the stamp set. So you get the stamp set and this pack of paper, 12 by 12. All these sheets in here. And this is the blueberry one that I used today, which I think is one of the prettiest ones in there. I love it, love it. I wish I got 10 sheets of that or 12 sheets of that. All right, so if you want to order anything, just go to stampingwithlisa.com, hit the shopping button, and the hostess code is always listed on my website right there next to the shopping button, so you can always check out the hostess code and put that on there. And I would really appreciate it if you don't already have a demonstrator. And also, there's also 3 more days to sign up to get the starter kit. So you can get the starter kit from Stampin' Up! And you get all of this paper. It's 5 extra packs of 6 by 6, and you get for $99 you get $125 of product plus 5 packs of designer paper plus a paper pumpkin kit plus free shipping. So it's a great deal. And then you also can pre-order stuff ahead of time, a whole month before everybody else. So we have this butterfly special going on for demonstrators right now. It starts for customers March 2nd. But if you want to get it right this minute, you can get the starter kit and get it yourself right now. Also, the new big catalog will be coming out May 1st. And if you're a demonstrator, you can pre-order April 1st. So that's another reason you might want to think about signing up. So I hope you loved this video, and I will be giving this card away for free. So I'll be sending it to someone who leaves a comment either on this page or my YouTube page. I would love to get your comments. Let me know what you think. Make sure you're nice, because if you're not nice, then I'll delete it. But it's also not nice to leave a mean comment, so don't do that. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll hopefully be back tomorrow with another video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.